Hey everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing a few tabletop styles that you can use for the spring. They will be really easy and really simple. But before I get started, I wanted to be sure that you guys know every Tuesday I will be doing a tablescape every Tuesday. So if you are not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button down below and let's get started. So I'm going to start off with this tray that I purchased last summer from Burlington. It was $16.99. It is wood and it has the metallic paint, silver paint. So I'm just going to set it on my table. And I'm going to add this beautiful orchid piece that I got from Ross, and it was only $12.99. Now I did shop my home for these items. I didn't go out and buy anything new except for one item, and you will see that later on. Now you can use any floral piece of your choice. It doesn't have to be orchids, but I like orchids. So I'm going to add these 3 books, and if you have any books around your home, you can add those also. Now this look is very common. You've probably seen this everywhere, but I like it, and I think that it's timeless. So I'm going to add this candle, which is from Ross. And it was $6.99, and I'm going to sit the candle on top of my books. And that is the complete look. So I'm going to light the candle and we're going to get a close-up. For this next look, I'm going to use this floral piece that is also from Ross. It was $15.99, and I'm going to place that on my coffee table. And I love to have a lot of greenery throughout my home. I just think it brightens up the place. So I'm going to add this statue that is from the At Home store. It was $24.99, and I purchased this, I believe it was last year or the year before that. But I thought it was really cute when I saw it. It just looks really, I don't know, peaceful. That's the kind of vibes it gives me. Okay, so I'm going to place these tea light holders on the side of the statue, and they are also from the At Home store. And I believe these were $5.99 each. It was $5.99 or $6.99. For the last look, I'm going to use this tulip arrangement. This is a new purchase that I bought from Home Goods. It was $99.99. Really simple, but this is also a timeless piece. You can use this all year round, and I just think tulips never go out of style. Now on to the dining room. This vase is from Z Gallery. I purchased this last summer. This is the small one, and I also have the taller one. So I'm just going to put that in the middle of my dining table. And I'm going to add these floral pieces. Now y'all seen this floral piece plenty of times in my videos, and that is from Hobby Lobby. Once again with the greenery. This is another one of my favorites. And so I'm going to add this floral stem that is from Michaels. And that was $9.99. And also the greenery that's from Hobby Lobby. I believe that was $17.99. And I'm going to add these two candlesticks that are from Burlington. And I think those were $19.99 each. So I'm just going to place them on the side of the vase. Now this is a real simple look you can use for your dining table. Just get a vase, add two candlesticks, floral piece of your choice, and you're done. So I'm just going to change out the florals in here and add a pop of color. Now these florals are from Hobby Lobby, and I'm only using 3. They were $9.99 each. This last look, once again, I'm going to bring this tulip arrangement, and that is it.